Welcome to this video on the historical evolution and paradigm shift in manufacturing. We will trace the technological and economic drivers that have moved the industry from traditional prototyping to modern production. We begin by exploring the pre-additive manufacturing era, focusing on the inherent constraints of traditional manufacturing methods that defined industrial production for decades. Prior to digital manufacturing, industry relied on subtractive methods like CNC machining and formative processes like injection molding. While effective, they were often limited by material waste or high upfront tooling costs. The genesis of rapid prototyping changed this landscape. Key technologies like stereolithography in 1984, fused deposition modeling in 1989, and subsequent advancements in laser sintering and binder jetting laid the foundation. The desktop 3D printing revolution was triggered by patent expirations and the open-source RepRap movement. These factors lowered entry barriers, turning niche technology into a globally accessible tool. This video tracks the evolution of additive manufacturing terminology, moving from early conceptual models in the 1980s to the standards of mass production and part consolidation we see today. Significant industrial milestones mark this journey, from early medical implants in 2007 to the testing of 3D printed engine chambers in 2013 and major aerospace certifications in 2016 and beyond. The GE LEAP fuel nozzle is a prime example of this progress. By consolidating 20 parts into one, it achieved weight reduction and improved additive manufacturing's reliability for critical aerospace applications. The economic impact is substantial, with a massive projected market value. This growth is driven by the transition to direct digital manufacturing, which supports localized supply chains and mass customization. Applying Christensen's framework, we must ask, is additive manufacturing a disruptive or a sustaining innovation? It can be both. For established incumbents, it is a sustaining innovation that improves existing processes. For agile startups, it acts as a disruptive innovation that bypasses traditional barriers. Thank you for watching this video on the additive manufacturing paradigm. We appreciate your engagement. For further reference, the image sources used in this video are listed here.